Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary with 4 stars in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, August the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars binary. 4 stars binary number 9067. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here, no, there, no. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Double ones, here, no, there, no. Now the double O's, here, one, there, one. 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 Double ones, here, no, there, no. Then double ones, here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here, no, there, no. Then between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between this O is an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Same for here, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then let me see. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then. Let me see. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. double O here, one there, one, double one here, no there, no, double O here, one there, one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's, between two O's comes in one, double one here, no there, no, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's. Finish. 5 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one without comparing. And if you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for this evening, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.